Oh, come on.
Sorry. Pole bending, 18 to 39.
They did tons of ultrasound.
Pole bending, 40 and over.
The only reason
Please,
they
get
did
ready.
the second one was because I was 2 weeks overdue and they wanted to make sure there was enough
Good save.
fluid. I was like, really?
I turned some
There's
down
going to be a
because I
nice
was tired of
conversation
them.
on that, you know.
You should have seen last week's video with all the swearing at the horses.
There's been some of that today, too. So, yeah, hopefully.
I've turned ultrasounds down because they always kept saying my babies were too small because they didn't measure when my stomach didn't get that big.
Right.
Well, I'm sorry my stomach didn't get big, you know. Babies are already.
Yeah. They don't have to be 10 pounds.
Yikes, Nitro.
I just did the same thing you do.
Well, they were 7'2", she was 6 pounds, and one was
I did the same thing you
7'12".
do instead.
I had 8'13" and 8'4".
Where you say,
Or my two.
if you would have just left me, or
And they were
that's all you had to
2
do was just leave me
weeks
alone, or what, you know what I'm
I
talking about?
wanted.
Nice try.
I kind of gave up there towards the end. I'm like, nah.